Welcome to the Ryco Filters Lab. My name's Alistair Hampton, General Manager of Engineering and Innovation, and today I'm going to talk to you about the RCC 350, which is our new crankcase filter, or catch can. Modern engines are using higher and higher power densities, they're using very light oils, and they're using higher and higher amounts of exhaust gas recirculation. The light oils and the high power densities are generating a lot of PCV gas with very fine oil droplets. These oil droplets are plumbed back into the engine's air intake, where they're drawn back into the engine's air intake manifold, and they meet with the exhaust gas that's recirculated back into the engine air intake manifold. The exhaust gas recirculation includes a lot of soot, especially on diesel engines, and the soot combines with the oil from the PCV gas and creates a build-up on the walls of the air intake manifold. This build-up collects over time and eventually can block your engine. To stop this build-up from happening, you need to eliminate one of those two ingredients. You can eliminate the oil droplets or the exhaust gas. Now, emissions requirements say that you can't eliminate the exhaust gas recirculation, it's illegal. However, you can get rid of the oil droplets, and to get rid of the oil droplets, you use a catch can or a crankcase filter. And here at Ryco, we think we've developed the best catch can on the market. For added convenience, we've designed this catch can with an exceptional sump volume. This means that almost all vehicles will be able to go between a standard oil service interval without requiring draining of the catch can. We've also added a drain tap to make the draining exceptionally easy. Catch cans require extremely specialised test equipment to properly validate them. Behind me here is a rig designed to test to the ISO standard 17536, and that is a specific ISO standard for aerosol separators, such as catch cans. This rig has been designed around an aerosol emitter that takes actual engine oil, heats it to very high temperature, and uses specialised nozzles to create extremely fine droplets of oil. Our catch can on this rig achieves an efficiency of over 98%, which is exceptional under the extreme accelerated environments of this rig. This test rig can simulate up to 4,000 kilometres of vehicle use in about half an hour.